sac passei, minha gente. So, hoje, Mr. Lava minha cabelo. Okay, first, bucre tuma banho. Make sure bu lava bu cool, okay? Now, for your cabelo, bu tem que pôr na água frio, okay? Like, not too frio, but like frio, because if you put água quente, it make bu cabelo frizzy. So, me to use a shampoo Lee. Me to pour a little bit, miudinho, you know, scratching your cabelo, get oils and all the shoo coozers out of your cabelo and stuff. You feel me? So, here we go. You see that's the limpo. Now, buta, you know, rinse bucabelo. Buta all que stress out of bucabelo, out of bucabeça. Okay, just sai fora, you know, it's the limpo. Now, me to use your conditioner, que love frizz control. Ay. Dang, menina, já put chill. Now, but the pull, you put it a little bit, you know, brush it through with within a brush. Já gosto de using brush, ahora me está detengo minha cabelo. Já cumpre esse cabelo, is brush, me que gosto de brush. That's why I'm chipana. I don't like to try some stuff, okay? But to use boumon, but detangle your hair ku boumon like that, so that way you can get good defining curls, okay? Then with the pusha like this, like you can hear the little cracking sounds. Now with the pull cabasa like forward and rinse it that way to throw all care conditioner. Remember, all the booster rinse your cabelo, make sure to use água frio or warm water. Kubu pôr água quente, para mori que the damage do cabelo. Your curls are not going to come out sabe. Okay, audible sai de banho, but use this towel ali. Okay, minha gente, Mr. fazendo minha cabelo hoje. So, I'm going to show you guys how Mr. fazendo minha cabelo when I leave it with the Disha curly. Okay, so the products I use a little bit of oil. Put a use a kuze bukre. And this is for styling. I just did the shampoo, took a shower. I used the mousse from Monet. And then me to pull is Bond leave-in cream. Okay, so audible say the banho with the disha bu cabelo to be like really mojado, right? You want it to be, mine's just sick a little bit, and bucre like a microfiber towel or cotton t-shirt, something cotton. Could we use like your towel? Because that's going to make your hair frizzy, okay? So, what I do first is I take a little bit of oil to pull. I feel like my cabelo is sick right now. Because I see to activate it. Then with the pull. Now I just put it a little coat. With the fuzzy Kelly. Oh, shoot. There we go. Now, John Kumpra is brushly, but I don't. I mean, could go still. John used it like when I was taking a shower. Trim bounce curl. Shaspia, if it's gonna work when I put the products. The only thing John Ghosting in this brush is this part. To part my hair. Because it feels like a regular brush. It's not detangling nothing. Put the pullable hair in the sections to put your products. So that way it absorbs. You see? Some mojado or sicko or I don't know. I'm gonna cut it. Okay, now I need to pull your products. I need to pull chill. Gente se fraco custom mist chill, but I do. Now we go through Now, some meninas, they'll do it in sections, like smaller sections. Let me get the patience for that. It's good too to have a spray bottle so you can wet your hair again. But me que tenho que lá também para morinha vídeo de all my stuff. I'm gonna wet my hair a little bit because you want your hair to be soaking wet. It has to be soaking wet. You're gonna need a towel on the floor. Ponacho, amode pumayo bu dana or inye busta motor qued. It's a bit chill agu nacho. You hear that? That's how you want it to sound. Okay, now that I put more agu, I'm gonna do the process a little bit again. Put oil. You're gonna comb through your hair. Lucia. And then crunch it up. Will be killer. Yeah, I prefer it to like sound like that. Now, me, honestly, John goes to the brush from TikTok shop. Would you? It looks like it's raking it through itself. Okay. Wow, killer, you see? To be my savvy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah. You gotta just keep raking the products through. Then you go like this. Some guinties, they'll curl their hair. Look at the patience for that. Gente no seu cabelo. Because the fuzz a killer. Only in the front. Some just fuzz a color. It could be me, okay? Now I'm gonna take my mousse. I'm going to do put chill. It's really not good to put chill products because when you're gonna dry your hair, if the dishabu hair to like feel heavy, but if we get the put chill products, I feel like it's because the fuzz it's trabalho. It's like you're brushing your hair, you're washing your hair all over, but with products. You see? I will finish like finda. Put on your towel or cotton t-shirt. Then you dry it. Okay? I don't like to crunch too much at the top because it's gonna get frizzy. Assuming like buka crehi or none of that stuff, like when you push a cabelo. Alright, I don't know if you guys can see it. Could get it better. But now it's locked in. We could go to the mission with like kunya cabelo out of putting the products in, cause that's how you get it frizzy. But it's too stuck together. Can you see the difference? When you're finished, like put in your products, it's gonna get frizzy. Jante problem with the fuzzy killer. Okay, now I'm gonna untangle. Okay, shampoo it on this side. Shampoo to the fuzz in the like patras first because over here it's like más seco. The only time that you want to fuzzy kili is when your cabello's to like chill Mojado, like really wet. You want your hair to be really wet if you want that full volume, like, look. When your hair is not mojado like this, and bufaze killer, your hair is gonna be frizzy. I'm not really getting close to my roots. Friday night at 8. Just gonna be so great. Great, 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 great. Me could go to the fuzz in your cabelo, but I got to. Meets the kuta in your cabelo, spitter. Wait on it. It's Kuzali, Jonathan, gratitude for your cabelo, but it's the shit in your cabeza. See, Jeff was a big mess. Wow. It's the Dudu Kuza, not Dudu Kabu. Thank God, because the Mora Cunyadana. It's a mata, your cabeza. Okay, let's see, let's see, let's see. I don't know. Something about this side, Pamori needs to spit up. Me custa gosta. It come wet like that. Watch it be frizzy now, Pamori Jamisha quid. Because don't be, because they're taking your own advice. Fast answer. Or just the crazy, it's the big mess. Okay. Now. Sun dry this part. Sometimes with the body like this, you flip your head like this. And then with the fuzzy, okay, let the dab chill volume. Oh, que leis chill trabalho, wow. Now it's the time that we get candy. Because now we'll use the blow dryer. Shanlimpa is kabuli. To shoo. Okay. Now, we'll use blow dryer. Put this part like here. Jump in and get other part like diva curl. Kila about like nabu roots. To sika bu cabelo. But let's see. Bu better panhago. Who like a fan. Cause Audible Fuzzy is like partly. Ai Deus. Now if you're in Cape Verde and you're used to the heat, that's okay, but like me, need to put in your AC. Okay, so go see me to like curl the front because you see? Because my bangs, it's weird. To be weird. So now it's been like brushes that fuzzy kilipabo, but a minha chipana, a minha que gosto de like comprar tudo que usa para minha cabelo that me para fazer. So here we go. Shampoo minha água. Let's go. Hey, who's the problem? Hey, time's out. Já paguei a electric bill. Porque sabe fazer esta poça assim. Okay, 2 thumbs up. E para mim já feature que breaker. Because your feed used to gust in your electricity. And I want to fazer this partly, we can go side to front, back, okay? And it's not dos, because it's not tres. I wait a little bit before I put high heat, because I don't want it to be frizzy. Okay, now that bufinda, like, drying your cabelo as much as you can, kubu brinca, like, on this area, okay? Because it's going to make it really frizzy. You want to go from the roots. So me, I'm at the fuzzy kili, flip my hair and shake it. Okay? Then I flip and kila is minha cabelo. Mr. Corta minha cabelo. I need the shape. But that's how you style it. Now, if we could put like a little bit more oil, can let it be okay too. But could we like grab it, just, you know, go through it. Let's see. Now my curls go see because the pasta like really bonita, because me think there's a treatment in my hair. Minha cabelo está seco like a lot. I was using different products. Kelly, I don't recommend it. Because goes to the end. Curls, tabuto na gabejo. Kasabi pa mori jantene still. But pretty much that's how I curl my hair. Wash it, always within the roots. When you shampoo, let it come down. When you condition, flip, comb your hair through. Or if within it like a brush, John goes to do the TikTok brush with the user kit love. Then Audible side the banyo, shower, with the panyabu microfiber towel or your cotton shirt with the sekabu cabelo. You put your products, then busekabu cabelo seca. Dang, why does that sound so weird? Anyways, then you diffuse it. You don't have to diffuse it. Okay, when you put blow dryer, you don't have to diffuse it. You can let it air dry. But audible deixa to air dry, kubu brinca, kubu cabelo. Then when it's the pasta seco, then with the black fuzzy killer, the amishi nabu, okay? And that gives you the roots will give you the volume. So next time I'll do a video on the products I use for a treatment. It's not expensive, honestly. Me to buy Walmart, me to pocket kill can you use packets for like $2 to put in your cabelo, me to disha for like 3 hours. Then I rinse it, then I do it. But you have to do a routine like all the time. Like Oja, my curls is plus. It's the pasta like this. Pamori Janfran Frabunos Kubupo Chill products. Me, I'm hard-headed, Janfine Kabasa Riju. So Janfo Chill products. You don't need a lot because Mr. Chill. Okay? See you later. Bon tardi, bon dia, bon noti. Deus vá cunhos.